What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you one of the most easiest way to run Android application on your Ubuntu computer using a application called Waydroid. Using this Waydroid application, you can natively run and install Android application on your Ubuntu computer. We all know about Windows 11 Android application running option, right? In Windows 11, Microsoft include that option where you can install and run Android application on Windows 11. But we already had this option in Linux from long time ago. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and run Android application on your computer using a application called Waydroid. So further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. Okay guys, now here you can see I'm using Ubuntu 22.04.1 LTS as the main operating system of my computer. Now let me show you how to install Waydroid on this Ubuntu operating system. So first of all, open up your browser and search on Google Waydroid. Then go to this first website, waydroid.id. And this is the official website of Waydroid. Now to install this Waydroid on your Ubuntu computer, click on install. And it will take you to these options, and here you will get a document. Click on it and open it with another tab. Now scroll down, and here you will get a section for Ubuntu or Debian. So you have to do all of these things as a prerequisite before installing the Waydroid. So what you need to do, just copy this command, open up terminal and paste it here, then press enter. Now give your root password and press enter. So it will install the curl and CS certificate. Then again get back to the website, copy this command, export distro, then press enter. Then finally copy all of this together and again paste all of them, then press enter. Okay. Now again get back to the website. And here you will get the command to install this Waydroid on your Ubuntu computer. So just normally copy it from here and paste it. Then press enter. Now this command going to automatically install all the requirement packages on your Ubuntu computer with the Waydroid. Okay. Now we have successfully installed the Waydroid on our Ubuntu computer. Now to run this Waydroid, you can use this command sudo waydroid container start. Or also here you can use it using the systemctl command. I'm going to use this command, so I'm going to copy it and paste it on my terminal. Then press enter. Okay. So everything is completed. Now click on show application and search for Waydroid. Then click on it. Then you will get this pop-up. From here you can select the vanilla or GApps. With the GApps you can install the Google application on your Ubuntu computer, or you can choose the vanilla option. Then I'm going to click on download, and now it's going to download all the files and packages on your Ubuntu computer to install Waydroid and run it. Okay guys, now downloading has been completed. Now click on done. Then click on show application and again search for Waydroid and open it again. And now it will boot to the Android operating system. Here you can see we have successfully installed this Android operating system on our Ubuntu computer. And now you can easily run any Android application on your Ubuntu computer very easily. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you're watching SSTec tutorial, and I'm signing out.